Okay, we're taking Summer for a walk. We're on the way back to her house, and she gets more animated when we head towards her house. She knows where home is. Look at her go. Look at this confident little 1-pound cutie pie. So she's wearing the slip lead for little dogs. Oops, that was a leaf. I'm doing really well. She can't slip out of it. She's being good about not chewing on it. Good girl. Look at her go. She's got some wheels. Where are you going? Uh-oh. What do you smell? Oh, we're not going to eat anything we don't know what it is. All right, here we go. And we're off. I have the best job in the world. Oh my goodness. Look at her go. She's so fun. Okay, we're going up to the street. We have to slow down. Could be cars. We gotta look all directions. All right, come on, Summer. Ready? All right, there she is. There she goes. There, she's got some wheels. More. She knows where home is. Look at her go. Uh-oh. Something to sniff over here. Some hostas. What you sniffing? All right, little girl. I don't know what's in there. I don't know what's in there. Come on. Here we go. Now we're heading home. Now we've got some wheels. She knows we're close. Look at her go. Wow. All right, one more. Well, two more. Two more. Here comes a plane, so we're going to stop taping.